Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for attending today's meeting. Today, I want to talk to you about whether we should implement or not GitHub Copilot in our company. So I would like to hear what each of the head of departments have to say about it.
Well, good afternoon. My name is Bernard Muro, and as the head of the finance department, I believe we should implement Copilot at least in my department, in the company, since, according to Mike Smith, a system architect, GitHub Copilot helps beginners to develop new coding skills, and it also helps people who already know how to code. So I think we should implement it in the company.
Well, good afternoon. My name is Armando, and I work at the customer support department. And I believe that implementing GitHub Copilot into our company will negatively impact customer support due to its nature of not being human-like. And according to agents at Microsoft's customer support often requires personalized solutions and troubleshooting, which cannot be entirely automated and standardized. And therefore, we should not add Copilot, since it will negatively impact customer support.
Hello, I'm Bernardo. I'm also from the accounting department. I also believe that GitHub Copilot will affect negatively the accounting department, at least, because if we over rely on the tool, it can affect us because it's a developing tool. According to what they say, it's a better tool. So that's what I think.
Hi, my name is Camila. I'm in the product development department, and I feel that implementing this technology is the best idea because it will produce efficiency and increase productivity for our company. In fact, according to Acthelon, a survey made by Acthelon, which is a software engineering company, they said 79.3% of the users said that GitHub Copilot made the codes, like the production of the codes, even faster. So in the website production, I feel it will really benefit us.
Thank you. After hearing your ideas, I want the departments to come to an agreement to see if they are favorable or not, because some departments they may use it positively and others it may end up affecting. So please, can you discuss with each other?
I feel that we should implement this technology in the company, and I agree with both of you that some regulations need to be implemented in the security area. That way that we can prevent illicit use or things like that.
I agree with Camila, but I also think that maybe we could implement to have some real people that are not using GitHub Copilot at least in our department, to avoid, at least in the time that it's developing in the tool, to avoid some errors.
And I disagree entirely in adding GitHub Copilot to the company, since I believe it will only have extra costs to the company. And also, I believe that the company should stay as it is.
Well, finally, I believe that I agree with Camila. We should implement this tool because, for example, in my department, people really need to know how to code, and most of us are beginners. So I think it's a great tool for some departments to implement it, and some may not need it, but we should do the investment just for the departments that actually need it.
Thank you for your opinions. To conclude, I want to say that GitHub Copilot can be a good tool for the company. Nevertheless, it's very important that it doesn't end up affecting other departments, because the use of it would end up being negative. So I would like to schedule a meeting in a month, and in the meanwhile, I want you to keep looking for areas of opportunity where it would be useful. Thank you very much.